Hello everyone, welcome to Numbers and Colors. Today we are going to write either the letter T or N to begin the word. Then we will write the word on the line. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The name of this picture is top. Top. What beginning sound do you hear in the word top? T. Can you say this word with me? Top. Now we are going to write the word top on the line. T O P. Can you say this word again? Top. This is a picture of a tent. Can you say the word tent? What beginning sound do you hear in the word tent? T. What letter makes the T sound? The letter T or the letter N? Good, the letter T. Can you say this word again? Tent. Now we're going to write the word tent. T E N T. Can you say this word one more time? Tent. This is a picture of what? What is this called? This is a nest. Listen to that beginning sound. Nest. What letter makes the N sound? Is it T or N? Nest. The letter N. Can you say this word with me? Nest. Now we're going to write it down. N E S T. Can you say this word one more time? Nest. This is a picture of a, what is this called? Nut. Listen to the beginning sound. Nut. Does it begin with the letter T or N? Which letter makes the N sound? N. Good. Nut. Now we're going to write that word. N U T. Can you say this word one more time? Nut. Now can we go over the different words that we wrote today? Top, tent, nest, and nut. Good job. Thank you for helping me with completing the words and also with writing the words out. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.